Right, it won't always specifically say expanding polynomials, but the process of writing a quadratic in standard form is just another way of saying expand it. And so if you're given something where you have two factors, the way that you would do this by hand you would FOIL. So you just take the product of the first, x squared, take the outer and inner sum, so negative 2x, oops, I'm sorry, the positive 1x minus 2x, and then take your last, the x time, or I'm sorry, the negative 2 times the 1. And if you just combine these, all your like terms, again, I stacked them so it's easier to see what they combine to. But you get your equation expanded out, written in standard form, which also winds up being the, or that equation in standard form. If you're going to do this by calculator, you're going to use the expand key or command. And let's test it and see. I'm not sure if it'll work with the y equals, but let's go ahead and test it and see what happens here. If you just plug in exactly what you have, so x minus 1 times the quantity, or x minus 2 times the quantity x plus 1, you do have to close it off and group it with parentheses. And if you do, it includes the y in that. It'll tell you exactly how you should write your equation, and you can see that the calculator confirms what I did by hand. So that's expanding polynomials, both by hand and by TI.